What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now, getting ready for two breaks to finish off tonight. We got a baseball mixer, 1791 coming up right now, 10:02. Arizona to Washington and Adam to Chris. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 10:02. 10:02. Last and final. $10:02, just turned 10:03. Houston, top of the list, to the Cubs. Neither a bad team to have there. And then San Diego to Baltimore. There's your teams. Let's do the names. 10:03. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Third timestamp. 10:03. 10:03, last and final. We'll match them up and get started right away here. Fourth and final. 10:03. 10:03. Jeff, top of the list. Adam, halfway mark. And we got Jamie to Adam. Whew, my eyes are burning in my head here staring at the screen. There's your teams, guys. We'll see you soon for the break. Cheers.